Instead of me fulfilling my prophecy, I have to start one. Instead of me, doing a good job and carrying on the empire, I have to build one. And that's a hell of a job for a 21-year-old. You know what I'm saying? That's a hell of a job for any youngster, male or female, to have to build an empire for your family.
Damn, Menace got beats.
I'm a made man, living in the wild. Like they said, food, get right on the beat. So I took flight. Got a bad bitch with me, she gon' fuck by the night. Long hair, fat ass, and that body just right. Just called my plug up, told I need a hoe. Oh, he said, bro, you know where I'm at, just come up the road. Gotta get that act right before I make him act right. If he move anyway, this gon' be his last night. Nah, I can't play no more, I gotta get my cash right. Mama just told me, slow down, don't live that fast life. I got your mom, promise this shit we gon' make it out. I don't know what they on, but PG on the come up. Prejudice just sweet, so I tell them hoes to come up. Nigga talking stupid, but I bet he won't run up. Put this hot fire on your ass and make it burn up. Eat all my food to show you how I eat up, little nigga. Hey, y'all say y'all don't fuck PG. I understand why though. Hey, we some made mans getting our money right. Y'all some suckers, man. Y'all don't recognize real when y'all see one, man. Hey, but look though, we gon' let y'all niggas talk, cause y'all can't be us. I'm going back in. Free my little brother Dirt, man. Free Murph. Rest in peace to Pilo, man. Been through a lot of shit in the city. Never thought I had to say these words, but sleep in peace, Trinity. Every time I drive, I'm thinking of you. And if you was here, we can go out and get some food. It's hot outside today, we can go to the pool. But instead, I'm up, just spinning the booth. Don't think I'm lying, cause what I'm speaking is the truth. Almost broke in tears when I heard that cancer by Boosie. They took my dad away, they took Pilo away, they took Yobo away, they done locked up my little brother. Y'all already know we back out here though. Pilo Dreams and Mixtape gon' get out. Y'all already know how we rockin', PGFUT be the name.